How to create a Microsoft account on phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you on how can you create a new personal Microsoft account for yourself. So first of all, go ahead and open your browser and search Microsoft account in the search bar. Then after go to its official website, click on the website indicating sign in or create your account today. Simply tap on it. There you can see an option called sign in, which is highlighted in the blue color. Then click on it and go to create one, which is also highlighted in the blue color. Now you're supposed to enter your email and your password. Then after, Microsoft account will send a verification email in your respective email account. Enter the code over there. And after the verification is completed, you'll be able to successfully create a new brand personal Microsoft account on your mobile phone. So this is how you can create your Microsoft account on your mobile phone. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing updates. Thank you. See you in the next video.